Alright, my blower motor is making a little racket when I turn the air conditioner on, and so I'm going to take a look and see if we can get this thing out of here. Oh, there it is right here. Doesn't look too terribly bad. Alright, here's your blower motor. It's got 3 bolts. All it has is 3 bolts. One here, one back here, and then one on the back side, which is a booger to get to. You can't use a long screwdriver. You gotta use a really short Phillips screwdriver. They are Phillips head, and they are, I don't know, 7/32 or something, I don't know. But they're a bolt and a screwdriver in the front. You also have to take this loose, rubber hose. I take it loose, just pull it loose. It just pops in, pops back out. And it also pops loose and pops back in up at the top too, so you can actually take the whole thing out. And then the wire, you can see this or not, but I'm going to try to. It just fits up in a little slot. So you just take it out of that little slot and then unhook it. Alright. See if we can get these. Out of here. There's one on the back side. It's going to be a booger, of course. See, this is almost too long for the front, but it's going to be too long for the back for sure. So I'm going to have to go find me something a little bit shorter than this. Well, there's part of it. I'm going to get that back side over there. Okay. So a little rubber deal comes undone. And I have to get that back side. Let me go find a shorter screwdriver or nut driver or something. Alrighty, let's see here. Instead of my screwdriver, got me a ratchet. It's about half as long, maybe a little longer. So let's see. As a matter of fact, I might put one of these front ones in, back in, just to keep. Just to kind of hold this thing up until we'll hold this front side up while I work on that back side. Well, I tried this narrow screwdriver, didn't work. Too long. Phillips screwdriver, too short. This, just a little bit too long. I don't know. Can't get that back screw out. I have to go in and cool off a few minutes and then come back and try it again. Alright, got that bolt out of the back, so I've got this one in the front left, and right there is where it's going to be unhooked from see how it slides up in there. So it just slides out of there, then it can come down here where we can unhook it. That little tab just pulls out, and then you just pull on it. You just pull on it, and it's done. It's undone. And you got that little rubber hose unhooked from the back side. So let's get this thing out of here. There we go. There we go. Now then. Whoa, here we go. Alright, we're going to take it out to my building. Really? Oh. Take it out to my building and see if we can't do some cleaning and lubing on this thing. So, alright, see you there. Alright, let's see if we can figure this thing out. I'll make sure I put it back the same way I got it out. So this wire next to the little slot. So that's pretty self-explanatory. Man. You know what? You can see down in here, so I believe we can get it lubed in the back. You can see it's not turning very free. So I want to get this wheel off so we can lube the front too. So we got to get that where it turns better than that. Alright, let's see if we can figure out how to get this thing off. Let me get it in the light. I don't have my glasses on. Hang on a second. I believe it's just a little old wire keeper. Wires disappeared probably from me. Smash that little keeper, I believe. Here we go. Ooh. Safety glasses. See, you mash that, mash those to keep it on there. Anyway. See if we can get this thing off now. There we go, it's coming out. We're just going to work it out pretty slow. Work it off around the edge. Come right up there, came off. And we'll make sure that if there's a flat place, and there may be, yes, there's a flat place on this shaft, on this side, so there's a flat place in this hole that you got to line up before you put it back on there. And then put the keeper back on. Alrighty. One thing. It's pretty warm in here. Alright. See there? That's where it needs lubing. And back in the back's where it needs lubing. Let me see. Let me look in the sun again. Yeah. God's light, as Gigi puts it. Want to spray it down there and turn it, see if that helps. A couple of those sprays, and then It didn't have to turn it none, but we got a bearing right here in the front that we're fitting to lube. See if we can get it down in there. Still turned pretty tight. So maybe I can get to that front bearing right through that little hole. I think I can. So I'm all strapped right there. And turn. Oh yeah, there we go. That a little better, but not quite. Alright, got it lubed up. It's still not turning like it should and not stopping, so I don't know how long it's gonna last, but it's got lube in it. Probably way too much lube, to be honest with you, so I'm gonna go put it back in the truck. See if it will still make a noise. Alright, that's it for now. Put this on. Come on. There we go. Putting this back on to wherever the hell it goes. Slot. There we go. It's back in there. Let's see if it'll make any noise. See if it'll even help. It's in, and it's not making the noise anymore. I don't know how long it'll last. Not making any noise. That's a good thing. I need to put this last screw in the backside. I will do that in a day or so. I want to make sure that that thing's got back out. If I'm gonna